In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp camera effect not working and not loading. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Or else what you can do is forget your network, then give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Clear cache for WhatsApp. For that, go to General. Go to iPhone storage. Now from the list of app, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app again and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, update WhatsApp to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update, you'll need to click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, what you want to do is check if you have allowed it all the permission for WhatsApp or not. For that, close this. Launch settings, navigate to the option apps. From the list of app, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now provide camera as well as microphone permission. And that's it. These are some fixes for WhatsApp camera effect not working or loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.